First fish on Huzzy Lake, April 10th. We are meeting my buddy Keith and his daughter, who I fished with times last year. We're here about an hour or so, 45 minutes before they're going to get here. So trying to find some fish real quick. It's a little 13-incher on the jerkbait. It'll be a pretty calm night, but temperature change and rain coming later tonight, I think. So hopefully it'll be biting. Got the cloud cover, so it's not all sunshine and calm. Water temperature is 50.5. Hopefully we'll get a few. I think we might be fishing Sinkos and swim baits. That'd be the best way for them to get some bites. And try some other stuff. It's 5:20 right now. So we've got, at least I found a spot where there's a few fish. Same size, typical Huzzy Lake fish. This one might touch for it though. Nope, 13 3/4. Fish right now are hitting in about 7 or 8 feet of water. There's 2 fish. Good to know. On the Rapala Maverick. Old Chad. Maybe. Another small one. Gills. Keep hooking fish in the gills like. You know they like this jerkbait. It's a bigger or a pike. Looks like a pike. Just got off. I hope it was a pike, because otherwise it would. I hope that was a pike. I didn't get a good enough look. It looked long, or it was really big bass. But I'm guessing it was like a 28-inch pike. Is that like 4 casts in a row though? Not on that. I had to say something. Must have been a pike. I've got a pike stink on my bait and I haven't caught anything since. Let's try another point. Doesn't make any sense why it's dead. Fish for 10-15 minutes. Trolling motor, I just used it off the lake. Ran all the way in. Had to be charged. Can't go 10 minutes without dying. Pike trailing my bait. Well, nothing on that point like I expected to catch, so I'm going to work it along the shoreline, kind of back to the ramp. They should be here about the time we get close to the ramp. he bit once, missed it, and then came back for it. I'll hit it again. Go, babe. Good. 27-inch pike. Funny story about Keith. Who's coming? One of the first times I ever fished with him was here on this lake in November. 18 degrees to start the morning. He only fished for a couple hours. As you can expect, 18-degree weather, you know, everything was frozen, we didn't catch anything. But he still came out. So hopefully he can get some redemption here and catch something. So hopefully we can put him on a big bass. Recap on our trip from Huzzy Lake. I didn't have the cameras on when Keith and his daughter were fishing, but here's a couple highlight pictures from tonight. Kind of slow. We caught fish on jerk baits. Once I taught them how to use jerk baits, they were able to hit a couple kind of hot spots, I guess. Right away, once I showed them how to use a jerk bait, they both kind of caught some fish, but they were just small bass. I caught some pike mostly on it. I caught a couple bass. I caught a few more pike, a 27-inch pike again, another one, and Keith ended up with a big fish there that his daughter's holding. It's 18-inch, 3.25 or so. So nice fish, Keith, and that was on the jerk bait up shallow off of a point. And that's pretty much it. So it was a good time, and hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and have a good day.